This here is the image of the 7 lights inside the flashlight. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I built this pinhole camera from an empty oatmeal box. When I turn the lights on, now we can see what the apparatus looks like. This here is the flashlight, and this is the oatmeal box, and this is where you can still see the faint image. I will turn the light off. And you can see there are 7 lights. So what we were seeing, just the image of this. And in the next video, I will explain why the images are upside down. And here, if you move the box to the left, the lights move to the right. And if you move to the right, lights move to the left. So that corresponds to the image being upside down.